put some gas in there, and looks like some was leaking out. So I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna take a closer look at this. Alright, I've been adding some fuel, and looks like I've been getting the drip. Let's see here. Sure if that's overflow or vent. It's been dripping. All I had to do is I added like 2 or 3 gallons, so it was not even that much. Some paper here. I'm gonna have to replace that line right there. So the fuel line has a crack right here. That's the vent line, I believe. That's where the split is. So what I'll do is I'll cut the line off and replace this whole section that goes to the fuel tank. So I bought new fuel line at Napa. Bought like 2 feet of it just in case. I got that inner clamp in. Got brand new clamp. I had to drop the tank just with the 2 bolts here. So just enough where I can get to the clamps. I had to break the old ones off. Gotta cut this to length once I secure the tank in place. And I used an extension. This is an extension, so flexible with a quarter drive. And this was a 6mm. So what I'm doing right now is dipping the fuel line in hot water, steaming water, and I'll show you in a second why. Okay, so I got the new line in. What I had to do is expand it just a hair to get over this, because this that's coming from the tank, it's actually a little bit larger. It's a 0.58mm, not millimeter, inches, and the inner one over there is 1/2 inch. So you just warm this up, slide it over. I had it measured, so this is the original one. and they did use a smaller hose too. And the inner one was 1/2 inch, so I was able to measure it with the caliper. Let's see, 0.58, but right there. And then 1/2 inch is a little bit larger, a little bit smaller. So you just have to watch out for things like this. Let's see here. The new line is actually somewhere in between, so yeah, it's about the same. Goes in 1/2 inch. Alright, so that pretty much completes it. And what would happen is when you fill the tank, whenever there's other it will actually go to the side vent, and it's actually will start dripping from that. So hopefully that will actually fix the problem. And thank you for watching.